Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix printer icon not showing in devices and printers. Type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open print spooler service, change startup type to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is click start, settings, click system, click troubleshoot, click other troubleshooters. Click run under printer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.